games are already underway. Males and females unusually look very similar, each adorned with an Elvis-like crest. But it's the size of the crest that matters, and this male's headgear seemed to be no more than adequate. A position on the ground is also important. One large male wants this particular perch, and having got it, he breaks into song. He now releases a potent tangerine scent from the back of his neck, and a mob of fans go wild. This male, however, seems to have nothing to offer. But a gaggle of groupies can be a dangerous distraction. An Arctic fox